Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to my channel Smart Codings Computer Science class by Shoykot Banerjee. This channel is specially created for the various concepts on Java programming, and it includes various notes and complete solutions of questions for beginners and for school students of ICC boards. Today's topic is a bit interesting because we'll be doing a programming based on switch cases, that is menu-driven program. So, students, watch this video completely. Do not watch it half or little bit, watch it full so that you will be able to understand how to write a code and the concepts of writing a program, where students face most of the problem are being faced of writing programs. So thinking all these things in mind, or keeping all these things in mind, this channel Smart Codings is specially created to guide my students so that they can build their programming skills. I hope all you are fine and safe at home. So I won't say much now. Directly we'll be starting with the class. So today's topic includes, as you can see, that page number 312 of this chapter number 5, unsolved programs. That is a menu-driven program. Question number 6, I'll be solving it. It was something about like computing the area of circle, square, and rectangle using a menu-driven program, a switch case. So what is a menu-driven program? A program that obtains input from a user by displaying a list of options, the menu from which the user indicates his or her choice. It's called menu driven program. That means multiple options will be given to you. List of options will be there. Among those options, user has to opt for a choice. This can be done basically using a switch case. So switch case has certain syntax. As I can show you, students, over here, switch is a keyword, so it's in small letter. Inside this, int n is a parameter passed, which is also known as a control variable. Under switch block, there are multiple cases: case 1, case 2, like this will be case 3 also. If any of the cases is not matches with the user choice, the default case will be executed. This is what is the basic syntax, fundamentals of switch case syntax. So this slide I have shown you, this part I have shown you in this video to make students aware of the syntax of switch case. Now we'll be seeing the question directly. Question is this one: write a program using a function called area. That means we have to write a function area. We have to declare a method called area to compute the area of following things, that is circles, that is a square, again a rectangle, using a menu driven program. I request to all my followers and students and those who want to learn Java, those who are new subscriber to my channel, please watch the video completely. Do not watch it first few minutes. Watch it completely. You will be able to understand. You will gain knowledge. If it is really helpful for you, do comment it. How it is useful for you or how it is helpful for you, this video. Like it, share it, and subscribe it. And finally, click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Because students' interest should be there. Students should comment, should like, should subscribe. Then only it motivates us to make videos for students to guide them or teach them, because the class should be interactive. Because I believe in class should be interactive so that we can understand the problems of students. Actually, where is the problem they face? So, as I know that many of the students face problems in this writing programs, so I have taken this initiative to guide my students. So let's start. So quickly we'll switch to this Blue Jay. Question already I have copied over here. Okay, now we'll import a scanner class. As you can see, import java.util.scanner. We have written. Then we'll write a class name area demo. Let us give the areas a small. Then we are writing a function. This is a method. This is a method declaration. Let us comment it method declaration. Okay, now creating object of scanner class to take the input. Enter 1 to calculate the area per circle. Area of a per circle. Semicolon will be there. Now just copy this. We need to type it multiple times. This is what is called smart work. Now next enter 2 here. Let us give this number 2. There were 3 cases. Calculate the area per square. Right. See what I'm doing basically. Area per square. Now again, one more is area per rectangle. There were 3 cases. Sorry, calculate the area per rectangle. Right. Rectangle. I hope this is clear. So inside this function block, we are writing this. Now one more line we'll write over here to take the choice for the users. We'll write here system.out.println, enter your choice. Enter your choice. So let us write over here, enter your choice. This will be highlighted in the console. Fine. So there will be 3. If user will input 1, then this will be executed. If it is this case number 2, that is area of circle square will be executed. But is case 3, area of rectangle will be executed. Now to take the choice of inputs, you have to display this message, enter your choice, on the screen. Okay, now we will write here int n equal to sc.nextInt. sc.nextInt. Okay, so this user will take this 1 2 3 as input in a variable called n. Fine. After this we'll write a switch block. We'll write a switch block over here. S small, as it is a keyword. Switch will pass here int n. We'll pass here n because n we have already declared over there, right? Here we have already declared int n. So we'll write here n is n is what is a control variable. Switch n. Then after pressing enter, we can give a bracket over here. We'll write here case 1. Case 1. Inside this case, we'll write over here the method body. Inside this case, we'll write a method body system.out.println. System.out.println. Enter the radius of a circle. Enter the radius of a circle. We'll write a message here. Enter the radius of a circle. Fine. Any doubts, students? You can comment in the YouTube comment section. We'll be clearing your doubts. Okay, then we'll be taking one variable of double type, double R, suppose. For radius, we're taking the input. So already you have created the scanner class object, that is a SC. We'll use that SC dot next double. Right, next double to take the radius. Fine. Now one more variable we'll declare over here inside this method block. Double. We are calculating the area of a circle, right? We'll declare a variable AOC, area of a circle. Then we will implement the logic. What is the logic? Logic is already given here. It is formula based logic. That is 22 by 7. That is the pi value. Double type, let us give here 7.0. Close this bracket. That is pi r square asterisk r asterisk r. As you can see, directly you can write from the question. Now we'll print over here semicolon. Let us terminate the statement. Now let us copy this. I'm going to write multiple times. Control V. Then you can write over here area per circle. area of a circle, area of a circle equal to, I hope it is clear, plus AOC. The result AOC. This is what is one case. Now after this, we need to stop this case, break. Now case number two. Now case number two will be, let's just copy this one. Just copy this one. Now Control V. Now just make some changes. Case 2, enter the side of a square. For next one, enter the side of a square. Then we will take an input in a variable called s. Double s equal to s dot next double. We are taking the side input in this s variable. Then we'll calculate the area of a square, AOC, sorry, AOS, that is s into s. Formula is given in the question, as you can see, s into s. So in the question it is given here side, so better to give side over here, not s, as in the question it is given side. So side into side, just change this, side asterisk side, area of a side equal to here AOS. I hope this is also clear. The last case, that is case number 3, will be like this. Case number 3 is this. The last case, into the length of a rectangle. Just change, make some changes. Enter the length. Enter the length of a rectangle. I hope it is clear. The formula is length into breadth. So you will take the input of length and breadth. Right. So enter the length of a rectangle. So double L equal to SC dot next double. And one more we have to take input. Just copy this one, students. Control C. Then press enter. Control V. Then make some changes. Enter the breadth of a rectangle. BRE. I hope it is getting clear to you. Now we'll write over here double B SC dot next double. Okay. Now length and breadth we have taken input using a scanner class. Now double, it's the area of a rectangle, A of AOR. It's a variable name given for my convenience. So we'll put the formula over here, length into breadth, length into breadth. Terminate the statement. Area of a rectangle is AOR. Okay, we'll terminate the case, break. After this, what to do? Now 3 cases we have declared. Now one more case will be there. That is the default case. Just we'll write here system dot out dot println, wrong choice. Fine. We'll close this switch. We'll close class this. So this bracket is closed. Then class, and one more method was there. That is the method 1. We need to close this method, students. So here we need to close this. Compile it. Let's see how many errors are there. So unclose string literal, because see, this is not closed over here. Let us close this. So this is how you learn programming, because this editor will show you how many errors you have in the program. See, again some errors will be there. Let us check. I'm showing you how to debug it on your own. So see, termination is not there, it is expected. Compile it. Again some error is there, the down. System spelling is wrong. This. Now compile it, no syntax error. Fine. So As you can see, students, at first what you have done, first package is imported to use a scanner class, then the class name of your choice. As per the question, declare the function name. There is a method declaration, right? So let us write it over here. This part, it will write it over here. This object creation done of scanner class. These things you have to write to take the input from console in order to display the message to the screen for the users. Then we'll start the switch block. Under switch block, there are various cases: case 1, case 2, and case 3. And these logics are formula based as per the questions. If any of the cases is not executed, it will go for the default case. Now let us show you how to compile it. Press on the compile option over here. See, class compile, no syntax error. Just close this, minimize it, right click on this, class name, compilation done. Now we'll call this, enter your choice, suppose 1. Enter the radius of a circle, suppose 5. So circle is this. Fine. Now again close this, right click on this, call this method void area. Suppose I want to give choice number 4 over here. It will show wrong choice. Again I will show you. Let us calculate the area of a rectangle. So choice number 3 it is right. Length suppose 4 and 2. It is 8.0. Better to use double type because it is more convenient to use double type to calculate the area of a circle or square or rectangle, or this what is called the radius. For all this type of calculations, better to use double type. See, that's why we have taken this in the program section. Double type variables, chances of errors are less. So I hope, students, this program is very useful for you. Watch this program. How to write a program stepwise. I'm demonstrating you. Inside our class, we're creating a method. Okay, we're creating a method and we're calling the method. So this is what is the question given there. Write a program using a function called area to compute the area. Okay, so this is what is called. I hope this is clear to you. So let us move on to the PPT. Now, if you like this video, if it is helpful for you, really useful for you, do like it, subscribe it, click on the bell icon. In the bell icon, when you click, there will be 3 options over there. All options, you click on that, select the all options so that you do not miss any videos. And students, I need your comments where you are facing the problems in understanding so that I can clear your doubts. So we'll stop here. Again, we'll be back with another video for the another set of questions of this chapter. Thank you. Take care.